YouTube picture-in-picture mode support removed from Google Messages. YouTube's picture-in-picture mode has been around for a good amount of time now, which allows us to relish content viewing while multitasking on a smartphone. While almost each of the major apps one has in their devices supports the picture-in-picture mode, Google Messages has reportedly dislodged its support, and that's done discreetly. The reported removal of YouTube's picture-in-picture mode support marks the end of a 2-year-long presence, as the feature was originally rolled out in 2022. Citing sources, Android police said the termination of YouTube's floating videos was disclosed by an APK teardown of the Google Messages app. The messaging app, since it came into being, has undergone countless tweaks and removals for the purpose of enhancements. At the time of picture-in-picture mode's launch at Google Messages, Google itself endorsed the feature as a crucial ad for someone in need of watching a YouTube video sent through a link, eliminating the hassle of switching back and forth, as stated by Google. As Google Messages hasn't officially announced the removal of this feature, its removal can be authenticated from the observation of no thumbnails or video previews on YouTube video links. Some users have also reported to be getting redirected to the YouTube app when tapping on a YouTube link.